The rise of modern micro-hobbies. How small passions are reshaping our free time in 2025. In the age of digital saturation and short attention spans, 2025 has witnessed an unexpected resurgence of micro-hobbies. Compact, low-commitment pastimes that require minimal space. They're easy to start, affordable, and often incredibly therapeutic. From creating paper circuits to pixel art, the beauty lies in the simplicity and satisfaction of tangible progress. This trend is catching on globally, thanks in part to social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and dedicated Discord communities. These online spaces help hobbyists share, inspire, and celebrate the smallest creative victories. Micro-hobbies are not a replacement for traditional pastimes, but they reflect a cultural shift, an acknowledgement that fulfillment doesn't always need to come from monumental achievements. One of the most popular micro-hobbies trending now is visual journaling, a blend of bullet journaling, creative scrapbooking, and artistic doodling. With just a blank notebook, pens, washi tape, and stickers, individuals craft daily pages that reflect their moods, goals, or dreams. It's therapeutic, visually expressive, and deeply personal, making it ideal for people who want a quiet, meditative hobby that also doubles as a memory archive. Its visual appeal makes it perfect for sharing online, where entire communities rate and encourage each other's creativity. It doesn't require professional skills or expensive tools, and each spread tells a different story. Visual journaling is evolving in 2025 with AR sticker packs, app integrations that allow syncing digital content, and hybrid analog-digital notebooks that scan pages in high resolution for sharing or editing. This simple yet powerful form of expression is now being used not just for personal reflection, but also in therapy and coaching sessions across the world. Another quietly booming micro-hobby is desktop gardening. No longer limited to a backyard or balcony, people are turning their desks and kitchen shelves into mini jungles. This includes growing microgreens in recycled containers, using hydroponic jars for herbs, and even nurturing small succulents with personality names and dedicated care routines. What makes desktop gardening so perfect for modern life is its calming nature and visual charm, even in high-rise apartments or office cubicles. Having a living thing to care for is mentally refreshing. In 2025, smart plant care sensors and app-connected watering systems make plant parenting effortless. Some people are even combining plant growth with time-lapse photography to showcase weekly progress on platforms like TikTok. This hobby isn't about results or harvests. It's about building a tiny green sanctuary in your everyday space and reconnecting with nature in the smallest but most meaningful way. A final micro-hobby that's gaining traction is sticker crafting and trading. Stickers, once relegated to kids' notebooks, are now serious collectibles and artistic expressions for adults. People design custom sticker sheets digitally or manually, print them on specialty paper, and trade them in online communities or local art cafes. Stickers today range from motivational quotes and aesthetic icons to intricate pop culture designs. They're used in planners, phones, laptops, water bottles, basically anywhere that can tell a piece of someone's identity. The resurgence of sticker culture also taps into nostalgia, self-branding, and light-hearted fun. In 2025, sticker creation has been boosted by affordable at-home printing kits, AI-assisted design tools, and blockchain-based creator verifications that allow fans to buy original designs directly from indie artists. It's not just a hobby anymore. It's a low barrier entry into the world of digital entrepreneurship and self-expression.